Okay, why is the BJP so worried? Why is the BJP so worried is a question coming in from the BRS leader. He says that every party has a right to project who they want.
Madhav, the BJP is not worried in the least. And I just have this to say that, if you look at this entire fractious alliance of so-called 24 opposition parties who've come together, do you see Chandrababu Naidu in that? No. Do you see Mayawati standing in solidarity with them? No. Do you see Biju Janata Dal or Naveen Patnaik, the head honcho of Biju Janata Dal, standing with them? No. Do you see YSRCP standing with them? No. Do you see Chirag Paswan of Lok Shakti, standing with them? No. Do you see Om Prakash Rajbhar standing with them? No. So let's be very clear that while the opposition is stitching an alliance together, the BJP also is going to have in about 24 hours a meeting of 38 of its alliance partners, point number one. Point number two, I always believe that when it is a Lok Sabha election, people vote for the incumbent party based on the governance that has been delivered, but a face is very important. And be it Chandrasekhar, be it I.K. Gujral, be it H.D. Devegowda, or for that matter, be it V.P. Singh, history is a testimony to the fact that every non-Congress government could never complete its entire term, and one of the biggest reasons was that the Congress, driven by greed, pulled the carpet and the rug right from under the feet of these former prime ministers.
So let the Congress respond to that.
Congress is a party that does not inspire any reliability, Madhav.
Let Rumesh Sabharwal respond to that. Rumesh Sabharwal, any alliance where Congress is not heading it, we have always seen it come down before the term has been completed, and therefore the Congress is not reliable in such an opposition setup. If at all there are to be other faces coming in. Rumesh Sabharwal, your response to Sanju Verma. Can you hear me, Mr. Sabharwal? Okay, I think we've lost that line once again. I will, in fact, apologize for the poor connection and request my technical team to fix that problem. Meanwhile, let me put that question across to the SP spokesperson. Kapil Srivastava, बिना कांग्रेस के पार्टिसिपेशन के, बिना कांग्रेस के फेस के प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस के अगर कोई भी ऑपोजिशन अलायंस फॉर्म होती है सेंट्रल लेवल पे तो वो पूरा टर्म कंप्लीट नहीं करती है. ये हमने बार बार देखा है 80s और 90s के डेकेड में. ये कहना संजू वर्मा का. जवाब दीजिए.
देखिए, इतिहास से सबक लेता है इंसान की इतिहास को दोहराता है. क्या इतिहास बदलता नहीं है? रोज एक नया इतिहास लिखा जाता है. और मैं आपको सबसे पहली चीज एक बात कह दूं कि संजू वर्मा जी एक ऐसी पार्टी से हैं जिनमें विचारधारा नहीं होती है. वो तो चाहती कि सब एक रंग के हो जाए. गुलदस्ता उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता है इस देश का, ना इस देश का संविधान अच्छा लगता है. पहले ही से चुन लिया. अरे पहले से चुनने से क्या मतलब है? आप फिर अगर एक ही के विरुद्ध सारे विपक्षी दल एक हो गए हैं तो ये तो खुद स्वीकार कर रही हैं कि ये हमसे बड़े भानुमति का तुम्बा जोड़ करके आ रही हैं. अगर आपका एक मुख्य, अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी इतने मजबूत प्रधानमंत्री थे, इंटरनेशनल प्रधानमंत्री थे, तो फिर आप बताइए ना ये 38 लोगों का तुम्बा क्यों जोड़ना पड़ा?
Okay, no, one second. I want to bring in the Congress spokesperson who's back with us now. Mr. Sabharwal, question coming on two counts at least. One is that unanimity on the prime ministerial face is not there. All right, there's a technical problem once again. Yes, Sanju Verma, please come in.
Thank you. May I please?
Yeah, I'm just coming to you. Mr. Reddy, just coming to you. Let Sanju Verma quickly respond because he asked a specific question of the BJP and then I'm coming back to you. Yeah.
You know, Madhav, Hindi में कहावत है, and I want to just say that for the benefit of your viewers, क्योंकि भानुमति के कुंडे के बारे में समाजवादी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता ने कुछ कहा that हमको जन्नत की हकीकत मालूम है, हमको जन्नत की हकीकत मालूम है, लेकिन दिल को खुश करने के लिए गालिब एक ख्याल अच्छा है. So I think the entire opposition, which is a debilitated one, is aware that there is no one today who can beat Prime Minister Narendra Modi in terms of his sheer impeccable credentials or popularity. और मैं समाजवादी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता को याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ, you got 5 seats in Lok Sabha 2019. You lost the Rampur by-election, you lost the Azamgarh by-election. अभी आपकी टैली लोकसभा में सिर्फ 3 सीटें हैं. 3 सीटें लोकसभा में होने के बाद आप यहाँ भारतीय जनता पार्टी को नीति नियत पर भाषण ना दे तो बेहतर रहेगा. अपने गिरबान में झांक कर देखिए.